Fruits are nutrient dense, and in addition to natural fructose, they also have natural bioactives like dietary fiber and polyphenols and micronutrients like vitamins and minerals.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, who has significantly contributed to medical science. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease, the new science of how your body can heal itself. Recently, he published a new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. In today's video, we're exploring 5 incredible fruits that work together to regrow stem cells, starve cancer, and ignite fat-burning processes from within. We'll dive into the science behind each fruit and share delicious, easy ways to incorporate them into your meals at home. These nutrient-dense fruits are powerful allies that help your body heal, defend, and thrive. What you eat can do so much more than fill you up. It can awaken dormant stem cells, suppress cancer's blood supply, and supercharge your metabolism. So, if you wonder whether food has the potential to really fight cancer, we reveal here the 5 fruits that may harness the power to starve cancer, support your body's immune system, and repair your health from within. Nature has packed healing tools into everyday fruits. Not to mention, they are ripe, accessible, and full of flavor. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with questions about your health or medical condition. Do not disregard professional advice or delay seeking it because of something you have read here. With that being said, how do fruits play a crucial role in the fight against cancer? To put it simply, fruits do more than just delight your taste buds. Loaded with bioactive compounds like polyphenols, flavonoids, vitamins, and fiber, they can support cellular repair, regulate inflammation, and enhance metabolic function. Research shows that these compounds help trigger apoptosis, or the self-destruction of damaged or cancerous cells, starve cancer stem cells, and stimulate your body's own stem cell production and regeneration systems. By choosing the right fruits, you're effectively feeding your body's defense, repair, and regeneration systems. Now, let's uncover the top 5 that could help you regrow stem cells, starve cancer, and burn fat from the inside out. Number 5. Mangoes. You've probably enjoyed mango for its sweet, juicy flavor. But did you know it's also a grand slammer when it comes to potentially activating your immune, stem cell, and anti-cancer defense systems? Mangoes are rich in fiber and powerful bioactive compounds that work across all 5 of Dr. William Li's defense systems: angiogenesis control, microbiome support, immune activation, DNA protection, and stem cell resilience. As Dr. Li explains, mango is a stone fruit, but I call mangoes and stone fruit grand slammers of foods because they rally multiple protective pathways at once. Their fiber feeds beneficial gut microbes, supporting immune health and reducing inflammation, while shielding stem cells from oxidative stress caused by modern lifestyle factors.
Mangoes are a great source of dietary fiber, and they actually have a bioactive called mangiferin. All right. Now, mangiferin helps stem cells protect themselves.
The gut-friendly carbs also help stabilize blood sugar, supporting metabolic balance and healthy fat burning, while the antioxidants in mangoes can help protect our DNA from damage and potentially curb the growth of early cancer cells. In Dr. Li's words, these are powerful molecules that help shield stem cells from the daily assaults of modern life, like high sugar levels or pollutants.
As I mentioned, mango also has a good source of dietary fiber, good for gut health, the gut microbiome, 39 trillion bacteria, a lot of them in your gut, lower part of the gut, the colon, and mangoes, by having dietary fiber, we're feeding our healthy gut bacteria too.
For a delicious way to enjoy these benefits, try this smoothie. Blend 1 ripe mango that's been peeled and chopped with half a banana, a handful of spinach, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt. Add a squeeze of lime juice and a sprinkle of chia seeds, then blend until smooth. The result is a creamy, vibrant drink that can help feed your gut, shield your DNA, and support your stem cells, while keeping you energized and satiated. This mango banana power smoothie brings together mango's stem cell shielding and microbiome supporting fiber with banana's potassium and spinach's antioxidants, offering a simple, tasty way to starve cancer, support regeneration, and burn fat from within. With one down, we can move on to another very helpful fruit. Number 4, prunes. Think of a sweet, chewy treat that not only satisfies your cravings, but also equips your body with powerful tools to regenerate cells, strengthen your gut, and even starve cancer, all packed into a humble prune. Prunes, often overlooked in favor of trendier snacks, are loaded with chlorogenic and ursolic acids, compounds Dr. William Li highlights for their dual impact on vascular health and gut microbiome support. These acids help revitalize blood vessels and reduce inflammation, crucial for supporting stem cell activation and blocking tumor growth. The fiber in prunes feeds beneficial gut bacteria, enabling them to produce anti-inflammatory compounds that mend leaky guts and activate those critical stem cells, according to the doctor, Lieutenant.
But prunes, from a health perspective, also in stem cells, have chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid is a bioactive that's also found in coffee, for example. All right, but here's what happens. Chlorogenic acid improves stem cells in your gut.
Dr. Li frequently emphasizes that true health comes from feeding your defense systems, one of which is the microbiome. He notes that prunes help build an environment where gut microbes thrive and produce metabolites that flip on your body's regenerative switch. In this sense, prunes don't just soothe digestion, they support DNA protection, immune function, and our vital regeneration system via stem cells.
Here I told you about the prune. It actually is good for the gut lining. It's also good to build and rebuild and repair our circulation. It regenerates our circulation.
What about cancer? The combination of vascular support and gut-derived anti-inflammatory metabolites help starve cancerous cells by preventing new blood vessels from feeding tumors. And because prunes foster beneficial flora, they also help strengthen natural killer cells, the frontline defenders against malignant activity. A typical serving of 5 prunes, which is about 50 grams, provides only a little over 100 calories, around 3.4 grams of fiber, and 30 grams of carbohydrates, including 18 grams of natural sugar, with almost no fat and just 1 gram of protein. They're especially rich in potassium, vitamin K, and minerals like iron, magnesium, manganese, copper, and calcium. For a delicious, energy-boosting snack with prunes, stir together 1 cup of chopper pitted prunes, 1/2 cup of almond or cashew butter, a handful of oats, and a tablespoon each of chia seeds and honey if you want more sweetness. Mix until sticky, then form into small balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes. These prune energy bites offer a simple, tasty way to enjoy prunes' healing potential. You get fiber and prebiotics from the prunes, nourishing fats from the nut butter, and metabolism-boosting chia seeds, all in each cohesive bite. This blend of natural sweetness, microbial nourishment, and metabolic support makes prunes a surprisingly powerful ally in your journey to burn fat, regrow stem cells, and starve cancer, one bite at a time. Before we move on to our next fruit, if you are looking to dive deeper into the foods that can prevent cancer, be sure to subscribe to the Vitazen Health newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best delivered right to your inbox. Number 3, black raspberries. Try to picture yourself spooning through a bowl of sweet, tart black raspberries, and not just indulging your taste buds, but actively fueling your body's defenses, cellular renewal, and fat-burning potential. Black raspberries are tiny powerhouses, brimming with ellagic acid, ellagitannins, anthocyanins, and quercetin, all bioactive nutrients Dr. William Li praises as elite tools for health and longevity. What makes them so remarkable? First, their deep color signals extremely high levels of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that support angiogenesis defense, safeguarding your blood vessels from abnormal growths. Clinical trials involving patients with Barrett's esophagus, a precancerous condition, found that black raspberries help slow lesion progression and reduce aggressive cellular changes. Dr. Li says bluntly, "Because of their health benefits, I aim to eat black raspberries every day."
People who are eating black raspberry had better resiliency of their blood vessels. And you got 60,000 miles worth of blood vessels packed inside your body. Very, very important that they have the ability to be resilient, meaning that when you need more flow, faster flow, no problem, they have the capacity to handle it.
But that's not all. A 12-week study at Korea University's Annam Hospital discovered that consuming black raspberry powder increased circulating endothelial progenitor stem cells by approximately 30%, a clear boost to your stem cell regeneration system and vascular resilience. In simpler terms, these berries help wake up your body's repair crew, healing vessels, refreshing tissues, and backing fat burning via metabolic reset. Plus, the fiber and polyphenols in black raspberries nurture gut-friendly bacteria like Akkermansia, a key microbe linked to longevity and metabolic health.
Eating black raspberries increased the number of stem cells in the blood by 30%. Now, what about the people getting the placebo, like no black raspberries? Turns out that those people had a 35% decrease in the number of stem cells in their bloodstream, completely the other direction. So one group.
For a quick, delicious way to tap into these benefits, layer 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh or thawed frozen black raspberries, a drizzle of honey, and a tablespoon of granola. Stir gently to keep the berries intact, but let their juices swirl through the creamy yogurt. Finish with a sprinkle of chia seeds or sliced almonds for crunch. This black raspberry yogurt parfait emphasizes berry-powered health, antioxidants and fiber from raspberries, probiotic protein from yogurt, and metabolism-boosting crunch from seeds or nuts. All of that while you get to enjoy a simple dessert that will keep your body in peak condition. Number 2, blueberries. Imagine a handful of blueberries, those tiny, vibrant bursts, not only enticing your taste buds, but also acting as a powerful ally in fighting cancer, activating stem cells, and supporting fat burning. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep blue hue. What makes them truly special is their impact on your stem cell regeneration system. Dr. Li likens blueberries to nature's way to keep your shields up, and references a study showing that just a small daily amount, about 1/3 of a cup of freeze-dried berries, can boost stem cell resilience by up to 40%, helping your body better repair and renew itself.
The researchers found that eating blueberries, just 1/3 of a cup a day for 6 weeks, could improve the muscle stem cell numbers by 40%. Wow, 40% increase by eating just 1/3 of a cup of blueberries. And these stem cells were much more resilient to stress in the body.
Blueberries also act as a natural defense against inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to cancer and metabolic issues. For example, a study from Louisiana State University found that consuming blueberries was linked to reduced inflammatory markers and an 88% increase in myeloid dendritic cells, essential players in immune surveillance. These immune-enhancing effects, combined with their blood sugar stabilizing fiber and metabolism supporting anthocyanins, make blueberries a triple threat fruit. For a delicious, simple way to get all these benefits, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a sprinkle of cinnamon in a bowl. Top with 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, a tablespoon of toasted chopped walnuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Gently stir so the flavors meld, but blueberries stay intact. This blueberry and oat bowl fuses fiber-rich oats with antioxidant-packed blueberries and healthy fats from nuts. The result? A satisfying, metabolism-boosting, stem cell-supporting meal that promotes DNA protection, immune defense, and gentle fat burning, all before you're even out the door. By incorporating this vibrant bowl into your morning routine, you're fueling your body's 5 health defense systems, from regenerating stem cells to starving potential tumors, all wrapped up in a delicious, easy-to-make package. Number 1, strawberries. A bowl of fresh strawberries, vibrant, juicy, and bursting with flavor. They're not just a delightful treat, they're also a powerful ally in fighting cancer, regenerating stem cells, and promoting fat burning. Strawberries are abundant in ellagic acid, a natural compound Dr. William Li highlights for its role in activating neuroprotective stem cells, especially following brain injury. This makes them more than just a sweet snack. They're a catalyst for brain health and cellular regeneration.
And strawberries have a bioactive called ellagic acid. And ellagic acid can help to restore neural stem cells. And they can actually promote neuroregeneration. Neuro meaning nerves. So nerve stem cells for nerve regeneration.
What sets strawberries apart is their dual action on inflammation and metabolism. Dr. Li points out that consuming strawberries may help trim your waistline while supporting stem cell systems that repair and rejuvenate your body. Their rich mix of antioxidants help suppress inflammation and oxidative stress, two major drivers of cancer progression and metabolic slowdown. Additionally, strawberries contain vitamin C, fiber, and various polyphenols that help regulate blood sugar, enhance vascular health, and support immune defense. In Dr. Li's words, strawberries are not only delicious, but also activate brain-protecting stem cells, giving you a sweet punch in the fight against disease and aging. When enjoyed regularly, they contribute to an internal environment that's less susceptible to cancer and more geared toward regeneration and metabolic balance. For a quick and nutritious snack, blend 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries with 1/2 frozen banana, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Pour into a bowl and top with a handful of sliced fresh strawberries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a few goji berries for added antioxidants. This strawberry banana smoothie bowl combines the ellagic acid and polyphenols in strawberries with the potassium-rich banana and protein from yogurt. It's a vibrant, nutrient-packed snack that supports stem cell regeneration, cancer defense, and fat-burning metabolism, all wrapped into one delicious and easy-to-prepare bowl. With every spoonful of this bowl, you're harnessing strawberries' unique ability to activate stem cells, protect your brain, and support metabolic health. Powerful benefits that align with Dr. Li's Eat to Beat Disease philosophy, all while satisfying your cravings in a wholesome, tasty treat. We've now talked about the 5 fruits along with some fulfilling recipes that can help the body starve cancer and burn fat. But even with more fruits in your diet, you might be missing another important factor when it comes to truly fighting cancer: eating more vegetables. So, watch this next video to discover the healthiest vegetable recipes that may help strengthen your body and really supercharge your defenses to help even further with starving cancer cells.